We got Burger and the boys back in the house for the dessert bash. And we're having a Joe, you having fun? What are we doing? Simpson, do you know what we're doing?
Keeping it paleo.
We're about to make some ice cream, guys. We got some coconut milk, all these ingredients, you see them here. Ice cream maker, Burger. This is Burger's, what is this, like your 3rd generation recipe?
Yeah,
Your great grandma. We'll be right back with some paleo chocolate chip ice cream. All right, Burger's gonna lead the way. The boys are gonna do the work. What do we got?
Okay, so we are doubling the recipe. Normally, we would have 1 can of coconut milk, 1/4 cup maple syrup, and a tablespoon of vanilla.
Okay.
It is that basic. We're doubling it, so open these up. What's in there?
Whoa, Joe, what is that?
Milk.
Milk!
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Can you dump that in there?
Can you guys dump
Joe,
that in there?
dump that in there?
Careful. Oh, there we go. That's how it's done. Precisely.
All right, Simpson, you want to dump this one? It is good. There you go, all in, bottoms up.
Now we got 1/2 cup maple syrup. Dump that in. Oh. You want to dump this in? Whoa! Come on. You want to dump in the vanilla? Oh, there we go. Oh, all right. Yeah.
This kid doesn't mess
All
around.
right. Now we're mixing this up.
Yeah.
And how about a little tiny splash of salt? Okay,
A little salt in there?
Just a little tiny bit.
Pinch of salt?
Pinch.
Pinch a little salt. Grab a little salt,
pinch.
Joe. Pinch. No. Just a little here. I got
There we go. All right.
That's gonna be good, boys. Huh?
Okay, who wants to turn it on? Just kidding. All right, you ready to pour this in there? Okay, we gotta be real careful. There we go. All right, spatula, get all of it out of there. Take 10-15 minutes, something like that.
Ooh, that's good. 10-15 minutes? Okay.
Yeah, my favorite part about this is I haven't figured out a way to save it for the second day, so we just gotta finish it.
Just gotta eat it all right away.
Gotta eat it all.
I'm down with that. You guys wanna eat some ice cream? Yeah, huh? Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. The boys are gonna be on cleanup duty. We're gonna rock that for 15 minutes, and we'll check back in. All right, the Blizzard boys are back. Woo! But the boys are missing. I know you guys see that. They got their cookie, they're happy, so we'll give them some ice cream tomorrow. But we're at about gelato soft serve consistency here, and we need to go to bed ourselves, so we're gonna call it good. And show us what you do here, bud. You pull that out, okay. Serve it up. There we go. Some chocolate chips on top. Now, is it normally a little bit thicker than that, or?
It is when you do a double batch like this, and I just made ice cream last night, so I don't know that it got totally frozen.
Okay.
But it's usually definitely a little bit thicker than that.
But again, it's full of there's sugar in here. There's a lot of fat, so you don't really want to live off this.
Nope.
But it's probably a better alternative to like Ben and Jerry's.
Absolutely.
All right, that's a wrap. We're tired, to be honest. We're heading to bed. We've got our ice cream here. Thanks for helping out, Burger.
Absolutely.
Making an appearance in the kitchen.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. And we got to give this a little, give this a go. So maybe a little scoop up here. That'll do the trick, guys. That'll do the trick. Blizzard boys in the kitchen, do what we can to help you. Keep it paleo, yeah.